2020 Toyota Tacoma air and cabin filter replacement. You want to pop your hood for the air filter. You're going to come over here to this air box. Now you're going to push this little spring clamp backwards and then come on the bottom and unhook it from the bottom. Do the same for the other side. Now there's only two of these, so once you get these off, as long as they stay unhooked, you should be able to pull this out. There are these little tabs in the back right here. There's one there and one here. So you need to lift this kind of up and then pull it towards you, towards the passenger side of the vehicle, so you don't break the tabs. They slide out. Grab your filter and just kind of slide it out here, like that. Okay, and that's how to remove the air filter. Now we're gonna put the new one in. This is a Toyota one. Here's my Toyota one. This is from Toyota. That's the part number for an OEM one. I'm gonna put a link in the description to get one on Amazon. Alright, so now put it in. We're gonna lift this up and just slide this back in just the way it came. This little grommet part that goes around needs to be all lined up. It's pretty much dummy proof, so once you get it in, you should be fine. Slide these tabs in the back. You gotta get those lined up. Gotta get those in first. Okay, that's how it is. Kind of if you tilt the front of it up first and then push those back in, they should go into place. Now once those are in, we're gonna come around here and put the hook on the bottom and then push the little spring part on top to lock it into place. Just like that. Okay, cool. Now the air filter's done. Now let's move to the cabin filter. You wanna come in here, open your glove box, get any stuff out that you got in there. Hopefully you don't got much. There's a little panel in here. I can't really see it with my camera, but it says lift up. There's like arrows, so just lift it up. There's a little lip on the top. You could just push this up and pop it out. Just set it to the side for now. Now there's the cabin access door. There's a little tab or a lock on this side, and then there's a little, well, it's not really a lock, it's just like a tab you push down, and then it'll kind of release it. Try not to break those off. Now once you can pull that off, here's your cabin filter. If it has leaves or debris, be very careful not to let them fall in the blower motor, because then you'll have noise when you have the blower motor on high. Let's pull this out. I got my new one. Here's a Toyota OEM filter. And it has an arrow that's pointing. It says install this way, and make sure the arrow is pointing up. So if yours has an up arrow on it, make sure it points up when you put it in. And if yours says airflow and down, then make sure the arrow points down. You'll see on your own cabin filter. Slide this in. I'll put a link in the description to get one on Amazon. Let's put this on. There's a good brand on Amazon I like to use. Alright, so we'll snap this into place. That just kind of goes back into place. And then this guy, when you put him in, you want to put the bottom tabs on first. Get those tabs lined up on the bottom, and then just push down, and it should kind of lock into place. And that's how to do the cabin filter. Now I'm going to show you your wiper blade size too, in case you want to change your wiper blades while you're doing it. It's a 22 and a 20 millimeter or inch wiper blade.
You're pretty good. Your style is no match for mine.